So we got that taken care of, family. And basically that's it. Put my tools up. And y'all have seen another edition of me working on Crimson Truck Pride 2. So now basically all we're doing is waiting on the load. So I guess we're gonna try to clean up some of this grease in here where they left. I got some of it off, but you can see marks right there. On the other side is just as bad. Grease spots right there that they left. So we're gonna just try to clean that up a little bit and get it looking about like something. But other than that, this your boy, I'm out of here. Peace. Roll Tide Roll, baby. For life. Peace.